We are going to be looking at Python pandas. We're going to look at pandas in Python. First and foremost, what is pandas? Pandas, pandas is a Python library. Pandas is the Python library that is used for working with data set. Now, we make use of pandas for data analysis. When we want to be doing data analysis, we need pandas. We want to talk about plotting of charts, graph, and so on, doing pictorial analysis, transforming your data or numerical data from the raw form of the data set into a pictorial form like chart, graph. You make use of the matplotlib library. That helps you to create different type of chart, and also you make use of Seaborn. Seaborn also is also good in plotting of charts, as well as different types of charts. So today we were looking at Python pandas. Python pandas helps you to do analysis. It helps you in doing analysis in Python. It is used in running analysis, different type of analysis in Python. And also can help in cleaning your data sets. Steps in cleaning your data set. You want to insert, you want to remove a column, you want to change the value in your data set, and so on and so forth. You want to create a data frame. You make use of Python pandas. So Python pandas is a Python library used for working with data sets. It it has it has it has functions for analyzing, cleaning, exploring, and manipulating data. The name pandas has a reference to both panel data and Python data analysis. Now, that's the name pandas. That is a two words that form pandas. One pan stands for panel data, while the other one stands for data analysis. That is Python data analysis. So the name pandas is reference to both panel data sets and the Python data analysis. So when you're talking about Panda, you're looking at the panel data sets and the Python data analysis Python. And it was created by this man, Wick McKinney in 2000. So why use pandas? Pandas allows us to analyze big data and make conclusions based on statistical theories. Pandas can clean messy data and make them readable and relevant. Relevant data is very important in data science. Now, what is data science? Data science is a branch of computer science where we study how to store, use, and analyze data for deriving information from it. What can pandas do? What can pandas do? Now, Pandas gives you answer about this data sets. So data science is a branch of computer science that is used that we will manipulate data sets in order to derive information from that data set and to provide solutions to problems. Now we look at businesses. Business has they need solutions to their problems. And these problems, business is the solution to the problem of business lies in the data because they have data. Everything about business is data set. When look at the data set of the business, be able to provide a solution to that particular business. So what pandas can do pandas is pandas can help you to carry out analysis in of your data set, just as I said earlier on. Can use to create different types of analysis. But mostly pandas helps you in cleaning your data sets. You want to cleanse your data set, you have a messy data, you want to cleanse the data set, you use pandas. You want to create more columns or delete the columns or delete parts of your data set, or you want to separate your data set, you want to split the column, you make use of pandas. Pandas is good for this types of data analysis. It helps in cleansing your data set. So is there a correlation between two or more columns? What is average value? Python can also give you this statistical analysis. Maximum value, minimum value. Pandas are also able to delete rows that are not relevant and so on and so forth. Now, where is the pandas code based? Now, the source code for pandas is located at the GitHub repository. When you go to this link, you can see the source code for Pandas. That is where it's located. Now, before you can get started with Pandas, you need to first and foremost install Pandas on your system. Okay, now install Pandas on your system. So first and foremost, you have to install Pandas on your system. So you run this line of code. If you're using the PyCharm, you run this line of code, or you run, depending on the system you use, you run this you run this line of code and you install it in that your particular system. If this command fails, then you use a Python distribution that already has pandas installed in it, like Anaconda. Anaconda and Spider already have Python installed in them. So you can either use Anaconda or you use a Spider that already have Python installed in them. Now, when you're using something like PyCharm, you need to run this little line of code in PyCharm. And what you need to do is to type this pipe install pandas. I already have it installed in my PyCharm. So I already have it installed on my PyCharm. So I don't need to run the line of code. So all you need to do pipe install pandas. So you will run that particular line of code. So I already have it installed. I already have it installed in my PyCharm, so I don't need to run that particular line of code again. So we run this particular line of code and you hit the run button. If you are making use of the Jupyter notebook, running this line of code will help to install the pandas in Jupyter notebook.